Welcome to 5.10. Here we're looking at the forefoot Varus angle. So this relates to the degrees that you want to see the angle after we've adjusted it for the intrinsic cast corrections. So you may have adjusted it here at the balance of forefoot to the rear foot at 0. Remember, if you want any additionals or movement from there, it can confound those two sections there. So this is commonly where people will get confused, but you are able to have the ultimate power to change what it is that you want to see in the foot at any given point. Back and forth, you can do the two same things at different points here. So forefoot Varus angle, you can tell us at a degree that you want the forefoot at the rear foot. Obviously negative degrees at the forefoot will mean at the Varus will mean invertly a valgus, but you won't be able to do that into the input there. There's no negative numbers. Okay, so Varus angle, or how high you want it from the medial side of the device. Okay, how high or low, left and right. And again, same in reverse for the valgus angle. Same, but it's a lateral posting that will go on. And remember, that'll also be positive, but because it's a valgus angle, it'll go lateral high. Alright, that's forefoot valgus and forefoot Varus angle, related back to balance of forefoot to the rear foot. See you soon.